We're going to start off this morning and test everybody on their knots. As we go through and call off each knot, you'll tie it, hold it up. Once we check it, untie it and get ready for the next one. Okay? Any questions over that?
Code Red Safety offers the best trained rescue techs in the country. We spend a minimum of 40 hours just with new people, and anybody that's been with us a year has at least 80 hours of training. You can see here classroom training where we train knots and other techniques, rigging techniques to get people out of and down from hazardous areas in plants. The classroom training is extremely important for the reason that, one, it gives them the hands-on, which is important in the knot tying ability and the actual rigging systems, but just as importantly, it's the book learning, so they understand the theories behind it. Rope rescue is a complicated rescue system and needs to be thoroughly taught for them to do it efficiently and effectively.
Now that we've tested everybody on their knots, we know that when we get outside, we shouldn't have trouble with them, right? So what we're going to do is when we go outside, we're going to give you a scenario. I'm going to pick a victim and put them in the bottom of the tower. That victim is unconscious. Okay? Your job is to make rapid entry, make contact with the victim, haul them to the top of the tower out of that vessel. Okay? It's a simulation. You're going to haul them out of that vessel, package them in a Stokes basket, and you'll send the patient with an attendant over the side.
Code Red Safety uses simulations and actual hands-on rescue situations to train our rescue techs on the techniques that they learned in the classroom. Not only do our new recruits have the 40-hour, they also have first aid CPR. Many of them have HAZWOP or an OSHA 10. Then also we have refresher courses every year, so no one ever goes more than 12 months without a 40-hour refresher course. So our people are constantly trained year in and year out on these rescue techniques, so they get better over time. All of our instructors have 25 plus years experience in rescue. So not only have they taught rescue for years, they're extremely experienced in the field and are experts at what they do. So the student is not only getting the book learning and the knot tying and then the simulation, they're getting expert advice from someone who has rescued hundreds of people from many, many different situations, so they understand exactly what they're getting into. We have a lot of firefighters, a lot of EMTs, we even have paramedics. So we have almost everybody we bring into our classes has some type of experience, either with rescue or with first aid CPR, that kind of thing. So they're usually experienced in the industries and have done this type of work before. What we're doing then is training them to use our rescue techniques, the rope rescue techniques, to better give them a feel for what they're going to be facing out in industry when they work for Code Red Safety.
Patient on ground.